Let's see how you can add and manage users in HelloSend with ease. First, go to Settings and click on Users. Here, you can manage all your users. To add a new user, click on Add User. Begin by selecting the user and assigning the appropriate role. Next, configure the messaging settings. Choose whether the user should access all numbers, assigned numbers, or system default. If you select assigned numbers, you can add specific numbers the user should have access to. And if you select all numbers, the user will have access to every available number. Then, move on to the call settings. If you'd like to assign the user to a team, select the team from the drop-down. You can then choose the access level, whether it's inbound only, outbound only, or both. That's it. Click on Add User and your new user will be successfully created. To edit or delete a user, you can easily manage that from the same Users section. And that's how simple it is to manage users in HelloSend. Thanks for using HelloSend.